Feliz Día Nacional de España. Hola, hi. In this short video I will talk about Spain. 100 euros is about $118. In Spain they have 5 meals, which are Desayuno, Almuerzo, Comida, Merienda, and Cena. Desayuno is usually eaten at 7 a.m. with café con leche and tortilla de patatas. Almuerzo is eaten at 11 a.m. with a lot of pastries. They have this concept where they cut the pastry and then weigh it in for a price. And it usually costs about 3 euros depending on the size. Comida is usually taken around 2 p.m. In Spain and most Mediterranean countries, they like to take their time eating. One time my host family visited their friend in another village. They prepared a good meal for us. It was fun, but it took hours to complete. You can basically take a nap and the group is still eating and enjoying their meal, sharing stories. The mixture of fruits and sangria bring the party together. If you're not into alcohol, horchata is good before a siesta. In the afternoon, some shops are closed around 1 to 4 p.m. for siesta. Or you can stay at home and watch Casa de Papel. This is a good time to walk around Buen Retiro Park and just relax.
So I'm here in Plaza Mayor.
Adventurous, you can take the public transportation around the city. It's really good, like Singapore's transportation system. Day trips from Madrid to Segovia and Toledo, rural countryside, make the Spanish experience worth it. If you're adventurous, you can try bull meat for 15 euros. In the Philippines, tapas are marinated meat enjoyed with rice and egg, but in Spain, tapas are a type of snack enjoyed with wine and beer. Jamón ibérico, cheese, and olives are part of Spanish culture. So the Spanish love for jamón are seen on fruits like melon, and they even make jamón potato chips. And there's a museum for jamón lovers in Madrid. In Spain, merienda is eaten at 5 p.m. If you miss American food, there's Pizza Hut, KFC, McDonald's, Burger King available, but unfortunately Burger King doesn't have a refill. Cena is eaten around 9 p.m. before partying. Overall, Spain is a beautiful country that likes to take it slow. They have many traditions that have influenced our world today, which makes it a country to add in your bucket list. Muchísimas gracias a todos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel content. One day I will make a video of your country and share it with the world. Thank you and have a great day.